Come on!
Welcome to Gaming with Life with Sweetybelle.
Now what will you do?
I gotta go back.
We have a war to fight, Wade. We need to reclaim our land. Join your people.
I didn't grow up with you. It ain't my world.
But you're our brother. My brother. And I know that somewhere you feel this is right. The land where the gray sand mine stands now, that was our home. We must reclaim it.
Gray sand. That's where I left Ray.
Fight with us.
I'll follow you, Homerus. But only because I want to do to Drake the only thing you taught me.
So be it. We'll leave immediately. Prepare the horses! There's more of them.
Homerus, pay attention!
Thanks, brother.
Freeze, Wade!
Fuck, Marshall.
You're really a son of a bitch.
Now, hurry. More are coming.
The mine is too protected.
Now we...
Homerus! No!
Father.
I thought I did that a long time ago.
Bastard! Bastard, you took my brother too!
So, you know everything. Then our roads must part, Wade.
You won't get away this time!
It's useless now, Wade.
It won't be if I get you!
Go away! Leave me alone! It's useless! You won't manage it! Go away! Leave me alone! I'm faster! Away with you! Go away! Leave me alone! It's useless! You won't manage it! Now it's pointless, Wade! Go away! Leave me alone! Away with you! I'm faster! It's useless! You won't manage it! Go away! Leave me alone! Now it's pointless, Wade! Away with you! Go away! Leave me alone! I'm faster! You won't manage it! Go away! Leave me alone! It's useless! Away with you! Now it's pointless, Wade! Go away! Leave me alone!
Whoa! It's the end of the line, Drake.
Yes, Wade. You did it. You did well.
You're the biggest son of a bitch I ever met!
I've taught you the reason for certain choices all my life. One reason. Money. And you followed me, my son.
Don't you dare call me that!
But you are. I saved you as a child. They would have killed you. No one gives a fuck about a child in this country.
You killed my mother. You killed my brother. You lied!
You did too. It's our trade. What matters is the bounty. This is how we survive.
You're right. Time and time again you've said a hunter only lives on the reward. The government had put a price on your head like the natives. Yours must have been pretty big.
Bullshit. I'm clean now, Wade.
No. No, you ain't. You never will be. But I want to give you a chance. Like the one you gave me.
You going to start calling me father? What does that mean?
It's Omer's gun. The son you killed twice. It just has one bullet. Like mine.
I've always been a better shot than you.
You're right. But you ain't got no other way out. How strange. We're in a stone circle.
I can see.
The brother showed me one before he died. It's a sacred symbol. For my people.
Your people? That's a good one. I don't know what Homerus told you, but you're not one of them, boy.
My mother was. My brother was partly. And I'm partly too.
Then you must die!
Now I can call you father. Chapter 6. The Last Prophet.
Come forward. Yeah? How can I help you?
Mr. Milton, my name is Wade Farr. I'm here to offer you a deal.
A deal? What kind of deal?
I know you're interested in the natives' territories.
I certainly am, my friend. The government is expanding, and we are proposing new contracts.
Don't jerk me around, Mr. Milton. I'm one of yours.
I don't get it.
The contracts you propose are phony, and that land is taken by violence. By you and your men.
Steady on, friend. By violence, that's a rather strong word. Sure, sometimes we are forced to use a more direct approach, but that's because there are greater interests at stake. We are paid by honest men.
Like you. You know, this doesn't interest me. I just came here to do business. But I want to know everything about the people I'm dealing with.
Tell me, Mr. Farr. Tell me, please. Mr. Milton has nothing to hide.
I don't care whether someone has a past that's very different to the present. I just want to deal with honest folk.
You can ask me anything, my good friend, without hesitation.
A few years ago, you had some problems with the law, didn't you?
Oh, that. Yes, I used to commit petty crimes. Nothing unusual.
Well, I heard a different story. You were the notorious Seth Milton, if I recall, who raided wagon trains and was one of the government's most wanted men.
Sir, I don't understand what you're driving at.
Oh, I like sincerity. It ain't enough to spruce yourself up and use flowery speech to hide the past.
Now you're offending me. I meant that I know what you're talking about, but now I'm completely clean. The government has canceled any kind of bounty on my head. That past no longer exists. The people who matter in this country wiped the slate clean.
You see, Mr. Milton, I never believed this. In recent years, you've taken land away from the natives on behalf of the government, and that's the only reason you've been pardoned. But I reckon a bounty like yours, well, bounty like yours lasts forever. I've come to claim that bounty. It was a good negotiation, Seth.
Hey, the shop. Mr. Milton driving. Come on, let's go see.
Here they come.
Mr. Milton, everything okay? Mr. Milton? Come on, let's go in. Ooh, what happened here? Oh, take cover!
Milton, I took the liberty of extending the bounty to the bastards who were with you. You know, it is a question of money. I've concluded my best deal. Farewell, Seth Milton.